Got him? Did you save him?
Yeah, saved him.
Yeah, you lucky you ain't take that other jig right in the belly.
I'd have taken it.
That's messed up. That's just a fish, man. Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse here with Southern Reels, and in this video, me and my buddy Keith, we were out at CBBT, Chesapeake Bay, doing some jigging in some deep channels around the islands. I mean, we were in 30 to 60 feet of water through most of this video. Now, we're both advocates for John Skinner and his methods of using a tandem rig with a bucktail on the bottom and a bait holder on the top, you know, a foot or so above it, you know, with gulp as a method of catching flounder, and it works very well, to say the least. And that's pretty much what I was using, and most of the time what I'm always using when I'm jigging for flounder. I go as light as possible, you know, to give it that lifelike motion. But this day Keith, he was rocking something a little different, a little bit heavier bucktail on the bottom and a weighted jig on the top with a very long teaser skirt. And something he was doing was he was literally setting the bucktail all the way down on the bottom and then jigging the upper weighted jig very rapidly, just sitting still in one spot. And it was definitely something that I wouldn't think would be that effective, but this day proved different. I did everything I could with the setup that I had, and I really wasn't catching like he was. I caught one here in the beginning. After that was pretty much it for quite a while, where he was catching them back to back, to the point where I finally said, you know what, just let me see what you got going on, and checked it out. And unfortunately by that point I think we missed the window of opportunity, or at least I did. But anyway, here's kind of what's going on this particular day and how well that particular method worked for him as far as setting the bucktail down and literally just rapidly jigging the upper weighted jig in place. So check it out.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hell yeah. Might be something decent here.
Ain't got much shake to it. Oh, it's a nice flatty. Heck yeah, we're good.
Nice flatty.
I got my toe stuck in that loop thing right there. That would have hurt. Got him. Pliers, if you need them. Heck yeah, bro. I was getting ready to say, let's try something different. Get going. Heck yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one today, brother. That's a nice flounder there.
Took me a minute to get warmed up, but once I get started.
Hey, I said you were probably earlier.
Yeah, I thought she's jinxed me. I've been thinking about that half the morning.
Let's measure this dude right in the net.
21 and a quarter?
See, 21 and a half, easy. Flatten that tail out. Hell yeah, that is awesome, man. It's nice right there, bro. That's a thumbnail if there was one. Awesome.
Knew that was coming.
Whatever. What you got here? Looks like it's got some head shake. Alright, hold on, I got mine without up. Where are you at?
15-pound leader on
Good man, that's a big one too. Ah, shit. Missed him.
Rip and drag, boy, yeah.
Alright, bring him to me this time.
Here we go. Hell yeah, brother. That's some nice one there. I might have to switch out the chartreuse or something.
You ain't fishing chartreuse?
I got it on my bottom one. They hitting you a teaser a lot. No, I got.
Throw that on there.
Oh, you got a.
It's got the super long whites that stick off of it.
Mhm.
The glow.
Heck yeah.
Could be part of it too.
I'll give it a shot.
Buddy.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, baby.
that's flounder. Hold on. My man is killing it today. Must have that right jiggle. Good Lord.
Back right down.
Damn straight, brother. Damn straight. Did you save him?
Yeah, see.
They ain't got you in the gut, does it? $18.5. That's a good one. Yeah, you lucky you ain't take that other jig right in the belly.
I'd have taken it. Smiled the whole time while you pulled it out with pliers.
That's messed up. Man's killing me today.
You're killing everybody. I get ready to say, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit before long you have.
I've only got one. He's got what? That's 4 now, right? 5?
5, 6. We're gonna count the one I lost.
Good land.
It don't matter. I'm gonna get Eddie, whether he catches all or you.
Yeah, yeah. You got that right. All right, took a little break, folks, and we got back to it. And found a little piece of structure here around one of these islands, and dang, we ain't pulling some flounder off of him. There you go, buddy. Got him?
Yeah.
Nice one, buddy. Ouch, it hurt. That's a cooler full of happiness in there. Get them some water. He's legal.
I hope it's like
He's legal. Well, folks, we've had a pretty good day. We got a nice box full of flounder. We're 1 short of a limit, I think. Ain't that right? 1? A 2-man limit, actually. So it was a good day. Buddy Keith killed it. That's it. Peace out. See you in the next video.